Hey everyone, this is Aisha Earning Wali, and today I am here to give another review of my TED Talk. Yeah, so today my TED Talk topic is what we are learning from online education by Daphne Koller. Daphne Koller is a renowned computer scientist, educator, and co-founder of Coursera, one of the world's leading online learning platforms. As a professor at Stanford University, she has spent years researching artificial intelligence, means AI, and its applications in education. Her work focuses on making high quality education accessible to everyone everywhere. Through her TED Talk, she shares powerful insights into how online education is transforming learning across the globe. I'm gonna review of the TED topic. In her review, Daphne Koller begins by addressing a fundamental issue in global education and lack of access. She highlights that while education has the power to transform lives, millions of people around the world are still unable to access quality learning due to financial, geographical, or social barriers. And I think she is right. She emphasizes that traditional education system, although valuable, are limited in scale and accessibility, and this sets the stage for her central idea that online education can bridge this gap. One of the most compelling incidents she discusses is the launch of online courses that reached hundreds of thousands of students simultaneously. She shares how, unlike a traditional classroom with a few dozen students, online platform can host massive open online courses where learners from different countries, cultures, and backgrounds come together. This diversity not only expands access but also enriches the learning experience. Kohler then explains how technology allows for a more personalized learning experience. She describes how students can pause, rewind, and rewatch lectures, and something impossible in our live classroom. This flexibility enables the students and learners to study at their own pace, making education more inclusive for those who may need more time to grasp concepts. She also pointed out that online platforms use data analytics to track student performance, helping educators understand where students struggle and improve course design accordingly. Another significant moment in her talk is when she highlights peer learning. She explains how discussion forum and peer grading system encourage collaboration among students instead of relying solely on instructor, learner can engage with one another with one another, exchange ideas, and even evaluate each other work. And this not only reduces the burden on teacher but also foster a sense of community and active participation. Kohler also shares inspiring real life stories of students whose lives were changed through online education. For example, she mentioned individuals from unprivileged backgrounds who gained access to world class courses and used that knowledge to improve their careers. These stories demonstrate the real world impact of online learning and reinforce her belief that education should be a basic human right, not a privilege. She further discusses the concept of mastering learning, where students must fully understand a concept before moving on to the next. Online platforms can support this approach by providing instant feedback through quizzes and assignments, and this ensures that students build a strong foundation after then simply memorizing information for events. Another key point she raises is the role of gamification in learning by incorporating elements like badges, progress tracking, and interactive exercises. Online education can make learning more engaging and motivating. And she argues that when students enjoy the process, they are more likely to stay committed and achieve better achievements. and outcomes. Kohler has also acknowledged the challenges of online education, such as maintaining student motivation and ensuring course completion. However, she remains optimistic, suggesting that continuous innovation and improvement in technology will address these issues over time. She believes that online education is still evolving and has the potential to complement rather than replace traditional education system. Towards the end of her talk, she presents a vision of the future where education is accessible to anyone with an internet connection. She imagined a world where learners can acquire skills and knowledge regardless of their location or financial status. This vision is both inspiring and practical as it aligns with the growing demand for lifelong learning in today's fast changing world. So let's discuss the one of the most important takeaways is that online education break down barriers and make learning accessible to a global audience. And personalized learning through technology allows students to learn at their own pace and improve understanding. And another key point is the power of peer learning and collaboration, which enhance engagement and knowledge sharing. And data-driven insight help educator continuously improve course quality and student outcomes. So, according to my opinion, this TED Talk is inspiring and highly relevant in today's digital age. She presents a clear and convincing argument for the importance of online education, supported by real example and practical solution. I believe her vision of accessible education for all is not only ideal but also achievable with the right use of technology. The way she explained complex ideas in a simple and engaging manner makes the talk easy to understand and impactful. However, while online education offers many advantages like face-to-face interaction, discipline, social development are still important aspects of learning. Online platforms may not fully provide. Overall, this TED Talk encourages us to rethink how we view education and motivates us to embrace new methods of learning for a better future. And at the end, I'll say everything has like positive and negative feedbacks. Like online education is good and we can connect with the far away people, those people who are far away and live in another countries, and we can share knowledge with each other. But also like some negative impacts, like there is too much screening and some people have some eyesight issue, so we should have take care of ourselves and with the meditation or some exercises. And but it's a good platform, we can take education in a like little money and we can gain a good knowledge on it. So I hope you will like my review. So this is from my side, signing off today. Stay connected, stay safe, take care. Allah Hafiz.